Where did I go?
He went into Walmart.
Why?
To get diapers.
I wanna go home.
You want to go home?
Yeah.
What if I told you we're going to go somewhere really, really cool today?
Airplane?
You want to go see airplanes?
Yeah. Airplane?
All right, let's go see airplanes then.
Pick. Pick.
Pick. Trey, what are we going to do today?
When we go to airplane pool
We're going to go to the airplane port?
Yeah.
What? Are we going to go to a cool McDonald's too?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, how fast should we go?
Showing.
We should
Go slow?
go slow?
All right, we'll go slow.
Well, our drive to Oklahoma did not last long because somebody forgot the kids' shoes at home. So we had to turn around 20 minutes from home and go figure out where their shoes are at. And then on the way, Mr. ADHD was like, let's go look at the waterfall because it's really flooded out here. Holy moly. The walk of shame because he forgot all the shoes. We had to stop to make another pit stop because I'm getting hangry. What did we get?
Fuzzies.
You want fuzzies? On the road again. We've stopped with all of our delays and we're almost to Vinita so we can go to this over-the-road McDonald's. Now, when I was a kid, my parents would bring me here at least like once a month. It was a big thing for us. That was probably at minimum 17 years ago though. So I've heard it's changed. I've heard it's very different, but that's not the important part. The important part is I know the boys are gonna love looking over the interstate down below at all the cars. So that's really why we're going. I think they'll think it's cool. I'm hoping they think it's cool. If they don't think it's cool, we still have a plan B for the day on what they will think is cool. So let's go do that. Hi, baby. Do you want to wake up and go see McDonald's?
Wait up!
Brush your teeth.
Hi, bud.
Brush off all the...
Mwah. What do you think?
Hold my hand.
You want to hold my hand?
There you go.
What do you think? Daddy got you food. Look out. Whoa, look, here comes the big one. All right, so we stopped for lunch. We watched the trucks come, and now we're heading to the airport to go plane spotting. There's a parking garage that is like designated for plane spotting. And Trey really loves airplanes, really loves airports, so we're gonna take him there, and I hope they think it's really cool, because CJ and I will find it extremely cool, and I want to stick around for a while and watch these airplanes come in. Yeah, I see it. Landry took off. He's on the move. We got a runner. Do you want to hold my hand and walk with me? Do you want to go see the city? You want to go see the city?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta wait for Daddy so you can hold his hand.
21. It's now going to take off at 4:41.
Oof.
We're going to be here for a bit because
Paid $13 to park here. We're gonna watch some freaking planes. Every time I see a bird, I think it's an airplane in the distance. Landry is trying to step on my heels back here. Hey. Anxiety says no. Landry stole the toy from Trey, and when Trey got upset, Landry goes, "Oh!" As if Landry didn't just steal the toy. Okay, do not do that with the toy. We are never gonna do that. So both kids have kind of halfway given up on us. They're bored.
just a little.
But we're having fun. Trey is inside the car playing with a tablet, and Landry's inside the car pretending to be a driver, and we're watching airplanes. So this was a mom and dad trip that we tried to make fun for toddlers. But maybe in like, I don't know, 5 years,
Maybe.
we'll get them on board.
Longer attention span.
Alright, this is the last airplane of the day, and then we're gonna leave and go do downtown Tulsa for a bit, shop around, check out downtown. So, fun fact about us that not many people know is we became plane spotters inadvertently. It started whenever I had an obsession with planes when we met, and we would go to the Springfield airport and sit for hours to watch one plane take off. This is like the biggest plane spotting day we've done so far, and this is really cool for us, isn't it?
Yeah. It's the best we've done ever.
Oh yeah.